In order to take a partial screenshot on OnePlus 15, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use 3 fingers, and we have 2 ways to actually capture a partial screenshot with 3 fingers. You can press and hold with 3 fingers, and then once you see that the whole screen went dark, you can slide down in order to select the area that should be cropped out. Of course, we can still adjust the area if you want to. And the second method is to press and hold with 3 fingers, but then we're gonna lift our fingers, and then we can select with 1 finger the area that should be cropped. There we go. Of course, we have some additional tools at the bottom. We can resize, as I said, and there we go. And the last option, one of the main options, of course, is to use quick settings or the control center. You should be able to find the screenshot button somewhere over here, and you can actually tap on the name in order to find the partial screenshot option. And there we go. And we can, with 1 finger, select the area that we want to capture. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.